I hope you enjoy knitting this beautiful and simple beanie as much as I have. It will take you a day to knit, and I cannot wait to put it on. This will look fabulous on those cold winter mornings. Enjoy. Cast on 90 stitches. Start with 8 rows of rib stitch. 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. 17 centimetres of our very pretty double moss stitch. This is a 4-row pattern, very simple and quick. 2 rows of decreasing to create the crown of your beanie. Using a 10 ply or an Aran weighted wool with 5mm circular needles, you'll have this knitted in no time at all. The right side of your project is exactly the same as your wrong side or your inside of your beanie. I've really enjoyed knitting this beanie. It's very simple and quick and very pretty. I love this double moss stitch. The double moss stitch is a beautiful stitch. Row number 1, knit 1 stitch, yarn to the front and towards you, purl. And that completes our pattern for row number 1. Continue all the way around. Row number 2, knit 1, yarn to the front and towards you, purl 1. And that completes our pattern for row number 2. Continue all the way around. To create the crown of your beanie, you need to decrease. 2 rows of decreasing. Knit 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together. This method will decrease your stitches and make a beautiful crown for your beanie. Continue all the way around. With a tapestry needle, gently slip the stitches onto it and feed the yarn through. Turn your beanie inside out and gently, not too tightly, gently pull the thread together. Pick up a few of the stitches in the crown just to secure it. You don't need to pick up every stitch, just a few. Turn your beanie inside out and you've done it. What a stunning looking beanie. I love this double moss stitch. It's thick, it feels absolutely divine.